Hello everyone. I wanted to make this quick video to talk about registering at artsadd.com. You go to artsadd.com and then you register right here. You you put your username, your email, your password, confirm your password, and answer some quick questions right here. And then you choose, and then you follow the prompts. You follow the prompts, and then you sign up. To be able to get the products cheaper, to be able to order them cheaper, you can apply for a reseller permit. Okay, to become a reseller, you scroll down to the bottom right here, and you see here contact us. You can write to them. I think these two here will work. You can write to them and tell them you want to be a reseller, but you need to create the account first so that they can go in and change up things for you. You will be able to purchase the items cheaper so that you can sell them to make a profit. Okay, and don't forget to do that, and watch my video to see how I design these bags, how I design this bag right here in Canva and then in Artsadd itself. And be on the lookout for more of my videos. I will show you how to design more products from here. Let me know in the comment section if you're going to open an account there and try these products. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.